Y'all, I got catfished by this chair on Temu. When it came, this is not pink. So we got to make it pink and then we need to stuff it. And so, yeah, this is the flattest thing I ever put. I put polyfill and an old pillow inside. Now it's pink because thanks to Angelus paint. And it's time to customize it. So it is Kirby. Kirby baby. So I'm just adding this motif of like swirls and stars, and of course like he's got his little flat face. I'm waiting for the layers to dry so I can add more layers, but like the more I paint it, the cuter it gets. So here are more stars, different types of stars, and now we're gonna add so it looks kind of like a shooting star. I don't know, we're just doing arbitrary swirls so it looks like a thing. I did put a little bit of motif for Meta Knight, just because I wanted his bat wings included in here because I'm a little goth, so I love a little goth moment. And here I thought I was done, but let's keep it going. So we're gonna add another star on the seat right where your ass goes, because like that's what you do. And of course more arbitrary swirls and brocades, and like yeah, we're adding some shadow to it. Girl, we're gonna get in it, okay? We're getting into it. Yeah. Now here I wasn't sure if I was gonna do it, but I was like, I'm getting tired of all these swirls. We're doing clouds. Kirby Dreamland, anybody? Yes. So I just started making all these clouds, and then I was like, wait, I can be done with this project if I add clouds kind of everywhere, because I wanted to make it really detailed, but like, you know, it was a thing. Well, quick time lapse. Now we gotta add stars, lots of different stars, arbitrarily, I guess. And we're going back and adding those juicy details. And I'm gonna be bouncing around. Girl, I bounce around all the time. It's the ADHD, I guess. And I decided to add clouds to the arms of the chair. And then I was like, you know what? It doesn't feel finished. So let's add Kirby's wand on both sides, you know. So you can have a magical spell on your butt, I guess. I don't know. Who's gonna see it? You'll see it. Your butt will see it. And your butt will be happy that it saw it, okay? So we're adding shadows and details, and shadows and details, and shadows and details. And guess what else? Shadows and details. I know, I'm an unpredictable fish. I don't know why I said that. All right, now I'm adding more swirls because, like, I don't know. Then I felt like I added clouds to Kirby's like backrest, and I said, oh, it needs to be a moon. It just needs to be a moon here. And I wasn't sure about it until like I you know, did the work to make it look good. Like I added some texture and all that kind of good stuff. So now we're at the end, and take a look at my Kirby chair. Look at all the details. I love the way it came out, and now I can sit on this and in my Kirby room, and it just completes the room. It does. However, my Kirby room is still not complete. So I'll see you guys later. Hope you like it.